Say hi. Hi. Hey guys. Good morning. Josh is like, who are you talking to? Hi. He's like, are you talking to me? Anyways, hi guys, I'm Christian. This is my first video, so I'm kind of excited and nervous at the same time. I recently just turned 30 a few days ago, so I'm pretty excited. I'm blessed to say that I'm still alive with all this craziness going on. I'm currently in Taos, New Mexico. I live in a 20-foot RV, and I've been traveling full time for the last 3 years, I believe. I have an Instagram where I post all my photos and adventures at Power Couple Critics, but I figured that I wanted to start a YouTube channel because I want to show what I do in my daily life. It's a little different from regular life. So, how I work out, what I eat, intermittent fasting, paranormal stuff. I believe in all that. Nature, awareness, manifestation, just my garden, what I do, workouts. There's nothing specific really about this channel, but hey, might turn into something cool, and hopefully you guys support me. Please go and subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and that way you guys are able to keep in touch with me on the YouTube side of it. Leave your comment so I could get to know you a little better, and let me know what you think. You excited? Are you gonna be my cameraman? Oh, okay. Okay, cameraman it is. Thank you.